Usain Bolt is going even further with his already successful music career as he announces the release date for his debut album Country Youths. On Friday, Usain surprised his 10.5 million IG followers as he unveiled the artwork for the project, a tearful photo in a studio setting with his best friend and manager NJ. Usain, who celebrated his birthday on Saturday, shared on the next step of his musical journey.
Hey guys, what's up? First of all, I just want to say, thanks for all the birthday wishes. Yeah, I know, I'm getting old. So normally, I always make goals for myself every year. If you follow my career, you know that I decided to start producing music. And this year, I decided to make an album, me and my best friend, somebody known NJ. So we made an album, and I'm telling you guys, go pre-order it. It's a vibes. You understand? September 3rd. Just look out for it.
The fastest man in the world turned music producer is also celebrating the success of his summer hit It's a Party, which is on the album, and his very successful full-length project Olympe Rose Rhythm, which featured many dancehall heavyweights. Country Youths is slated for release on September 3rd. The Queen of Stage Spice recently received her Billboard plaque for her Billboard #1 spot. Spice shared this video on her social media, unveiling her plaque for her Captured mixtape, which went #1 on Billboard Reggae charts. According to Spice, her song Black Hypocrisy also went #1 on the Billboard chart.
Thanks to Apollos, big up on yourself. I'm just getting a chance to pull it out. My birthday was very busy. My album 10 is out, which is Billboard as well. But yeah, #1 on the Billboard, baby. But hold on, I need my other plaque. Because remember, Captured went #1 on the Billboard, and so did Black Hypocrisy. So I need my other Billboard plaque, baby. I want to put them on my wall.
In her caption, Spice thanks Billboard and her pillows for finally sending her #1 plaque, adding, "Besties, this is a gift from you, so thank you. Let's send 10 all the way up." Captured was released independently by Spice's own record label, Spice Official Entertainment, and distributed by Hapilas Digital back in 2018. The Miss Jamaica World Beauty Pageant returns this year after a one-year break due to the COVID-19 pandemic. On Saturday, 15 finalists were revealed and officially sashed at the first event for the beauty season at the Jamaica Pegasus in Kingston. Also on Saturday, local designers were paired with contestants for the Miss Jamaica World Top Model Fast Track event, where the designers will create mini collections for each contestant, including editorial and commercial looks and signature piece to be worn on the runway. Additionally, the designers will create a national costume with the winning design to be worn by Miss Jamaica World at the Miss World Finals in Puerto Rico this December. Miss World Jamaica 2021 will be crowned this September 26. I'm Carrie Simpson reporting for ePrime.